Looking at the direction of Yamaha's product development, the presence of a 3-cylinder Tenere 900 is not far-fetched. Instead, it feels like a natural continuation of the Tenere line, which is now dominated by 2-cylinder engines. But until now, Yamaha hasn't released an official version. The only model that comes close is the Tracer 9, but it's better categorized as a touring crossover. Meanwhile, manufacturers like Triumph, MV Agusta and Chinese brands have already infiltrated the 3-cylinder Enduro scene. But from Australia, a wild and visionary interpretation emerged. Perhaps this is the Tenere 900 that should exist. It was Built Moto, a specialist custom workshop from the Gold Coast, that built this ambitious project. The builder, Tom Gilroy, and his team transformed a 2019 Yamaha MT-09 into an adventure-ready enduro bike. The project is called Rally Raid, and will be completed by mid-2025. The owner, Tyson, was enamored with the sound and performance of Yamaha's CP3 triple engine from the start. He wanted an adventure bike that was not only tough, but also had a strong identity. The base is the old MT-09 with an 847 cubic centimeters engine and 115 HP, enough power for all terrains. The CP3 triple Savage character is further enhanced by the custom 3-in-2 exhaust system combined with 2 carbon mufflers from Yoshimura. Not only does it sound more ferocious, the rear end looks like a professional rally bike. The MT-09 standard suspension was removed and replaced with a front fork from the KTM 1190 Super Adventure. The rear end features a Charlie Costanzo racing tune damper and a modified rocker arm, giving it more than 200 mm of suspension travel, enough to conquer rough terrain. To emphasize the Tenere 900 style identity, the front end features a rally tower with the Tenere 700 signature Italian-made LED lights. Excel spokes are fitted, 21 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, wrapped in large-dimension off-road tires. Dual brakes are retained to maintain braking performance. All the bodies are hand-formed from aluminum sheets instead of molded plastic, giving a strong hand-built feel. Coupled with minimalist accessories such as Omni lights, turn signals and an Enduro handlebar, the adventurous vibe is total. Weighing in at around 200 kilograms and with a 14-liter tank, the bike is even lighter than the Tenere 700. Not only is it capable of navigating rough terrain, but it's also flexible enough to be fitted with panniers or even converted into a supermoto with 17-inch alloy wheels. There's no information on pricing, but one thing's for sure: Tyson is very satisfied. Because he's now riding something that wasn't made by a manufacturer, but was born from the free spirit and hands of true automotive enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.